Let's start off with athletic injuries, which you
Okay.
classified as the younger generation, but in reality, they can happen in any age group. But generally speaking, athletic injuries happen in mid-40s and younger.
Yes,
Right.
and believe it or not, today's population in our country is growing younger in the sense folks in their mid-40s, mid-50s, 60s are still want to be active. They want to do a lot with their shoulder. They want to not compromise the quality of their life. So this sporting injury can expand 4 decades, if you want to call it that. And it's really, and if to explain a good sporting injury, I'm going to make it simple by saying, if something bad happens between this ball and this socket, or the structures surrounding the ball and socket, due to extreme pressures, I'm wanting to throw the ball and my hand goes further back and further back. In other words, this ball goes further back. In other words, pushing on the structures on one end and relaxing on the structures on the other end, that would, over time, probably cause some sort of wear, tear, injury, tendinitis, ligamentitis, itis meaning inflammation. And so with all those things in play, we have to then factor the nature of the sporting injury, the nature of the sport, how much forces are involved in, just for example, a baseball pitcher. Not many people realize that if I was to, let's say I'm a 90 miles an hour fast pitch baseball pitcher, and if I was to throw the ball, if my hand was a machine, not many people realize that in 1 second, the speed at which I throw the ball, my hand would go around 6,000 times in 1 second. That's the amount of forces our shoulders undertake and handle for us to be able to continue to be active. So it's a lot of challenging ways to fix these injuries, whether with or without surgery.